The guide has just explained that there are 4 locations we're going to go to on the island. So the first one, we're going to be able to take pictures, but we can't go down to the beach. The other 2 are next to each other, and the last one is just like snorkeling down at the beach. So I think it's going to be pretty interesting. Alright guys, we just arrived at the first location. We're here now. The road was really bumpy, about 40 minutes of driving, but it was great. We're gonna go see the first part now. Captain Morgan has just told us that we're going to Broken Beach, and there's a big hole in the top. It's like a cave. Alright guys, we're at the second location. The second location is Broken Beach. Now, I was thinking about this in the car, guys. I think it's not a good idea to rent a motorbike on this island to go around because the roads are really bumpy and they're quite dangerous, to be quite honest. So it'd be quite difficult for a lot of people to drive a motorbike. Even an experienced motorbike rider would have a hard time, and especially because the weather is so hot. For today, Crystal Beach we're going to, and it's gonna be beautiful. I hope I'm gonna get last bit of drone footage before we head back. So that's the end for today of day 2 in Bali. Tomorrow is our last day before we have to head back to Kuala Lumpur. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It's quite relaxing and quite amazing with some of the views that we got.